Just here everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about how to improve our English. So without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then. Don't skip the video. Okay friends. So let's get into the topic. Okay, so friends, I have received a comment in my comment section that ma'am, I have been learning this English language for 6 months and I have not improved. So please give me some tips, tricks, methods which will help me. So I thought that if someone is facing these types of problems, so there are many people who are learning this language, so why not create a video on this topic, because this is a very common problem that ma'am, I have been learning this language since for 1 month and so many times, but I have not improved. Tell me why. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to give you some points which will help you to improve your English. Okay, so the very first things that I'm going to share with you is that we are living in an area. Okay, we are living in an area where English is not required to speak because English is a secondary language. Okay, we are living in an area where our native language, our regional language is required to speak. This is a simple thing, and English is a secondary language, so that's why there is no conversation in English. And if there is no conversation, then how can you learn this language? This is a simple thing. Now this is a problem. Now I am living in an area where English is not required, then I want to learn this language. What to do? Okay, so you need to follow tips which I'm going to share with you, and believe me friend, it helped me a lot, and if it helped me, then it will also help you. Okay, so for this, what you need to do, you need to just, if someone asking you anything, suppose that you are in a bus stop, at a bus stop, and someone asking you a question that what is the time right now. ओके अभी समय क्या हुआ है, आपने उत्तर दिया अभी 3 बजे हैं. Now the same time, what you need to do, you need to make the same sentence into English in your mind. Okay, fix the same sentence into English in your mind. What is the time right now? And you are the one who is going to put the question in your mind, and you are the second who is going to give the answer in your mind. Okay, it's 3 o'clock. It needs a lot of practice. Once you do this practice every time, because we are doing different conversation every day, so many times in different peoples. So, but it is not a conversation in our in English language. We are doing conversation with our native language. So you need to take the same sentence, okay, convert into the English in your mind. Don't the in front of the public. Okay, once you do this practice, make this practice as a habit. Okay, and after that you will feel that you can easily transfer every sentence into the English. Okay, once you do this practice, you can easily speak in English. Okay, if someone willing to talk to you in English, that's good, very good. If someone not ready to talk to you in English, then you have to speak the same sentence with yourself. Okay, because you are your best friend, you can easily record a video and talk different kind of sentence which you have which you have made in all the day. Okay, so this is a wonderful practice. Do this practice each and every day. Now move on the second point, which is very very important. Learn any incident. Okay, tell any incident which happened, which you have ever experienced in your life. Okay. uh, Other, or you can easily tell a short story. Okay. Do you have any story? Yes, you have any story. There is there anybody who don't know any story? No, everyone know. Everyone know different kind of story. When we were in the child, when we were at the age of 6 or 8, so we have learned so many story, like Snow White. So there are many story. Okay. You need to tell a story every day. If you don't have any story, don't worry. Your life is also a story. Like our television show, every day is a next episode. Okay. Okay. And you know every incident is a story, because it happened in the past, so it convert into the story. Okay. So you need to describe any incident which you have ever experienced, or which you are experiencing. Okay. So tell out. If you feel okay, it's very difficult to tell a story in English, so you need to write your ideas on your notebook, and then you have to read it aloud, and keep it aside, and then speak out. Record all the activities that when you are doing to tell a story, and after recording the activities, you can easily find out, you can easily evaluate where did you stop, where did you hesitate. Okay. You can easily find out your big point, your positive point. Okay. And if you have someone, that's good, very good. And if you have no one, don't worry, you are your best friend. Use your mobile phone, record your activity, and just improve your English day by day. Okay. So move on the third point. Okay. What you need to do, you need to just I we know, everyone know that there are four aspects. If we want to learn any language, so there are four aspects: LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. But every time question it is, ma'am, how to speak in English fluently, how to speak in English, how to start speaking English. But my dear friend, if you really want to improve your English, so you need to follow all the aspects. Okay. Because all four aspects dependent to each other. If you read English well, you can speak English well. If you listen English well, you can speak English well. If you write English well, you can easily speak English well. So all three aspects, if you do practice on reading, listening, writing, you can easily speak in English. I can guarantee you. Okay. So do this practice each and every day. What you need to do, you need to translation every day. Okay. 2 or 3 translation every day in your mind. Okay. Short story every day. Tell a short story every day. Any incident every day. Okay. And reading, listening, writing, and then speaking. Okay. Last, the point is that if you really want to speak in English, so if you have learned so many books, if you have read so many books, and still you are not improving, that means you are not practicing in English. Okay. Until you speak, you will not perfect in English, you will not improve. So what is the main point? Main point is that speak out every day. You need to practice in English, you need to speak in English. Okay. And there is no doubt that you can do it, you will do it easy way. But my dear friend, for this you need to give more and more effort to learn this language. Without effort, without doing practice, you cannot learn this language. Okay. if you have a more books and you have a more knowledge about grammar, but my dear friend, this is a language, this is not a subject, and language comes with, with speaking. If you have not speak, if you have not practiced, you can't learn this language. So the most very very important point is that practice each and every day. You have to practice in English. You have to minimum 15 minutes every day. You have to speak in English no matter what. If you make mistakes, don't worry. Today you will today you are making many mistakes, but fewer it will be in the future. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.